Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to recover deleted call logs history. So first, you just have to simply go to your phone calls, and in case that you have accidentally deleted a call here, or it's like you wanted to recover a deleted call accidentally or not, then you're looking for an answer for that. Well, here's the tutorial for you. First, you have to go to Google Play Store and then kindly type SMS backup and restore. So all you have to do is to type that one and then click. Now you will see here tons of applications related to restoring or retrieving SMS messages. Also, you can see here recover contacts backup. Now what you're going to do is to look for this SMS backup and restore contacts and then install. Wait as it is processing. Now, once done, what you're going to do is to simply open and launch this application. And one thing is that you need to grant the access or you need to grant the permission to this application to have access to your phone device. So here you have to choose language, tap next, next, calendar backup next, continue, and then after that, you have to click this allow. So storage permission is required to access the backup files on your device. So all you have to do is to simply click allow. If you tap deny, then you cannot proceed with the procedure. So after you tap allow, then you have to look for call logs backup. So there are other options here, but you have to click this call logs backup. And then after that, you have to click this view backup if you want or restore. Everything is up to you. So if you tap this view backup here, then this is what it looks like. You have to click that specific number. Once you tap that specific number here, then you will see it's called history. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.